Okay, so once you've earned group manager privileges, you'll have the opportunity to create your own group. That's done originally by clicking on the group sorter and choosing New Group. When you do this, you'll be able to create whatever name group that you want. I'll use one that's existing. I'll call mine Section 2. You'll have to choose what type of group that is. We'll call it Other. You'll want to give it a short description. This is the type of description that will be available for people to see when they're searching through the groups. You'll also want to give it a more detailed description, one that might outline your course or group aims. You'll have a WYSIWYG available so you can add all sorts of stylized text in this field as well. You'll want to add an icon. This will help you distinguish that group from others. You'll want to determine whether it's an invite-only group or in fact it's open. If you don't want it to be open and would like to go through the process of approving people who apply to be in the group, then you can uncheck open. If you want to choose who is in the group by inviting them through their emails, you'll choose invite only. Then create the group. And now you'll notice we have our group with our group icon. It's also searchable in the All Groups feature. You'll notice that Section 2 here has the description that I gave it. I can click on this to see all of those details. If I wasn't already in the group as the creator, I could join it. So I've switched to another more active group right now, different than the one that I just created, to show you some of the group manager tools. I'm doing that because there's a lot more activity going on in here and a lot more members, more so than a new group. So I'm going to click on Group Manager, and it brings up this menu of options: ranks, members, invites, quest categories, quest armory, and reports. We'll get to all of these, but let's start with ranks. This right up here is a rank. I'm the rank of Wanderer, or that might be where someone starts. You'll notice that this bottom indicator is the rank. When I move this one all the way over to the very end, that's when I level up. Well, here's where you set them. You can click on ranks and add or edit any of the ranks that you already have. I can click on New Rank, name this rank Super Overlord, and I can say that that happens at 5,000 experience points, and I can create that rank. You'll notice that it's now on my list, Super Overlord. I'm going to get rid of that one. It shows, by the way, the point values, the ranges by which you would be in that rank. You can use ranks to make certain quests available. So until you get to the rank of Super Overlord, certain quests or badges or activities are not available to you. I'm going to get rid of that one, which I can do at any time, and Super Overlord is now gone. Also in Group Managers, you can edit your members. Now what's great about this also is that you can assign different responsibilities to different members of your group. My friend Denise is a great person to have in this group, and I might actually want to promote her to manager. I can click on her radio button right here and make her the manager of the group. I can also assign her other responsibilities within the group. She can be a reward builder, she can be a quest builder, or even just a quest approver. So I can give her these different abilities within the group. Fantastic. Also in Group Managers, you can invite folks, and I can actually paste in people's email address. So I can put one email address on each line and then send an invite to those users. Another thing I can do is create and edit quest categories. Now as we look at this one, we notice a few things already. Web tools, context, these are some that have already been created. I can add a new category altogether. I can call this one Spreadsheets, and I can save that category, and now it's added to my list. One of the most exciting tools is the Quest Armory. I can create quests of my own by cloning other people's. So if there's something I'm interested in, I want to find out more about games. I can search for keywords or words within the context of the quest itself, and I can look at all of the different quests. I like this one, Gamifying Education. I can view the details if I want, but right now I already know. I'm going to clone this. Then it opens in the Quest Builder interface, and I can change any of the details in there and make it specific to my course. It's a wonderful way to add content to your group. The final and really exciting piece is reports. If you want to see what's happening in your group, you can click on Reports, and in a new window, it pops up to show you, first of all, the performance and details of all of your quests, what their average rating is. You can sort these, what categories they're in, what their completion percentage is, how many people have dropped them, what their attractiveness score is, and the average completion time. You can look at all of the members of your group and see how they're doing and sort them by their data. Find out, what their average reward experience points are. How deep are they digging into those pieces? How many badges or achievements have they gotten? How much activity have they given to the system? How much time? What's their personal average completion time on quests? This can help you to make decisions about the members of your group based on the data that you see. And finally, down here you can find how your group is trending. How many members, how many quests have been completed? How many awards have you handed out? What is the average length of time to win your group? These are all really powerful ways of looking at what's happening in your group, and very exciting. All of these details can be found within your Group Manager menu. At any time during the process, come back and review this quest to be refreshed on what these different tools do and how they work.